How does the model handle big market changes like new trade rules or supply chain issues? A good question. I think in general, we can distinct the drivers into, okay, which drivers can we influence and what are more external factors. Of course, we can exclude external data and external factors, but I think we have to realize which one is unique, for example, Corona or big supply chain impacts, and which one are recurring. And when it's recurring, then you can consider to include it in the model. But when it's something really unique and incidental, then yeah, you have to think, okay, is it recurring or is it something unique that you including that in the model is not something you have enough data for. So yes, you can include big market changes, but I think the big market changes should be have a kind of a repeatable, I say it, repeatable behavior to make sense to include it in the model to predict on it.